In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize fonts beyond compression in Webflow. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned Webflow user, improving the way fonts load and display on your website can significantly enhance both performance and user experience. Let's dive in. First, head over to Webflow by simply opening up your preferred browser and navigating to the Webflow homepage. Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to create stunning custom websites without needing to delve deep into code. Once you're there, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your projects. From here, select the particular project that you want to work on. The goal here is to optimize the fonts to ensure your website not only looks good, but also loads efficiently. Having selected your project, the next step is to open it and click on an element within the project. This could be any text block or heading that uses the font styles you are planning to optimize. Once the element is selected, look for the Style panel. It should be located on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking on the Style panel will give you various options to modify the appearance of your selected element. Now, focus your attention on the Typography option within the Style panel. This is the section where you can make the adjustments necessary to optimize your fonts. One effective strategy is to use only the font styles that you actually need. Many websites load various font styles such as bold, italic, or different weights, even if they're not in use. By limiting the styles you load to only those that are necessary for your design, you can reduce page weight, which speeds up load times and contributes to a smoother user experience overall. In summary, optimizing fonts in Webflow beyond mere compression involves a careful selection of only the needed font styles. This small yet impactful change can shave precious milliseconds off loading time, which can have a significant positive effect on user retention and engagement. Remember, a well-optimized website isn't just about looking good. It's about performing well too. And there you have it, a quick and practical guide on optimizing fonts in Webflow. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful how-to videos. Until next time, happy designing!